Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Swiss. Today I'm going to show you something really interesting. As you can see, I'm not alone here. There is somebody else on the screen. You can see an avatar of mine at the bottom right corner. And believe it or not, this is an AI assistant that is going to support us here during this session. And if you're curious what this is, and if you haven't heard about this yet, well, welcome. All right, a quick summary. Maybe you have heard of the Webaverse team. Webaverse is a small team of experts who are really building stuff on the cutting edge of metaverse technology. I've been following them for some time, and most of the content that they put out is of highest quality, but it's also usually quite complex. If you're expecting a casual YouTube channel, you're not gonna find it with Webaverse. They have highly technical stuff, long streams, but for those guys who understand, it's actually quite interesting. I'm definitely not one of those guys. Anyways, Webaverse has been developing a game apparently, and some of us have bought NFTs, the Webaverse Genesis Pass, and the avatar system that goes along with this game. We haven't seen the game yet, and I suspect that in the process of developing it, they have actually come across multiple ideas. And one of them is to create an AI assistant, because the avatar system that they have built was kind of interacting with AI, and I think that's a natural consequence that they have pivoted into this direction, creating an app for the community. And today we're going to check out the app. And what's important is that you can download the application for, I've downloaded the Windows application, and of course you have to go through some trouble of clicking away some of the error messages that Windows launches. I'm sorry. And once you're through the process, though, you can log in with Discord, for example. There are multiple options, and then you can set up your own avatar if you like. You can either use some of the existing avatars, or you can upload your own VR avatar. And if you are like in the metaverse space right now, very likely you are owning multiple VR avatars, right? So this is a great opportunity to kind of play around with it and see what you can do. But I think enough of the talking. Let's just see what it can do. I'm gonna double tap Alt. I'm gonna stay on it, and let's see what happens. Hey Swiss B, what am I looking at? What website am I looking at right now? As you can see, the yellow button is turning, and the body stance has changed. So it's
based on the information provided, it looks like you are currently viewing the Webaverse website in the Chrome web browser on your computer. The specific URL is Webaverse. The website appears to showcase an interactive virtual world platform called Webaverse. I see references to exploring worlds, avatars, items, and other features commonly associated with metaverse and Web3 concepts. So in summary, you seem to be looking at the main website for Webaverse, a virtual world platform relevant to our earlier discussion around the metaverse. Let me know if you need any clarification or have additional questions.
So one thing that strikes me as strange is that when I hit the Alt button twice and keep it pressed, sometimes I get this malfunction, but now it works. Swiss B, do you know what my name is? Okay, now I actually said something before the question, and this might be an issue. Let's see if it can manage.
Based on our previous conversations, your name is Swizby. I apologize for calling you Fizby. That must have been a glitch. My memory seems to be working properly now, and I confirm your name is Swizby. Please let me know if I make a mistake like that again.
So that is quite interesting, because it has made a mistake. Its own name is Swissby. My name is Swiss, right? Let me see if I can correct it, because I've been playing around with this, so I might have made a mistake, and it's kind of using the memory it has from the conversation we had. So I'm not sure where this mistake is coming from. So this is exactly the UX issue that I have all the time. When I double press Alt, that I get this weird malfunction. You see it? Anyways, usually if I click somewhere, it gets better. Sound off. So it keeps happening. I've been doing this now for a while. It keeps happening. I don't know what it is. Hey, my name is Swiss, not Swiss B. I think it's the speed at which you press double Alt, which is causing the problem.
You're absolutely right. I'm very sorry about that. Your name is Swiss, not Swiss Bee. Thank you for correcting me. I will update my memory right away. I appreciate you taking the time to ensure I address you properly going forward. My apologies for the mistake.
Did you see the sweat on its face? This was really fun. It's the first time I've actually seen that emotion, and this is something you can set in the settings as well. So guys, I'm not gonna spend a lot more time here, but you can see that it can interact with the website you're looking at, and it can learn. It keeps the chat history, and based on that, you can kind of evolve the conversation. So I'm really excited to potentially integrate this wonderful tool into my workflow and to just see like if it can enrich the content I'm creating or not. I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. I see you in the next video. Shout out to Webaverse and the Moemate team. I'm going to include the relevant links in the description, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.